Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing a clean file with correct units and references so geometry matches reality. Open a new Rhino file, set units to mm or inches depending on your project, then import floor plans or reference images and lock those layers. Create named layers for structure, furniture, and annotations to keep everything organized. This prevents accidental edits. Once done, draw primary construction lines with line and polyline, snapping to end points and grids so your plan is accurate from the first strokes. Next, focus on building precise plan geometry and relationships. Use offset to create consistent wall thicknesses and fillet or chamfer to clean corner conditions where required. Apply Boolean difference and Boolean split to create door and window openings. Make sure objects are planar and joined before Boolean operations to avoid errors. Once geometry is complete, add dimensions and text with consistent styles and scales so your plan reads correctly at plotted sizes. Make sure to group or block repeating elements to speed edits later. Finish by validating the plan and preparing output for clients or contractors. Run Analyze tools to find naked edges or nonplanar faces and fix them by rebuilding or joining curves. This prevents issues when exporting to DWG or CAM. Set up layouts with proper scale, title block, and viewports, then export to PDF or DWG. If something goes wrong, revert to the last incremental save or use blocks to replace corrupted instances. This is your quickest recovery path.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.